Ways you can view competition. What are they? Healthy and rivalry. If you view it as rivalry, what do you say? It becomes a cancer and it grows inside of you. It's negative. We all experience that. Can we agree? How can we view it as healthy competition? By looking at it as what? Appreciating how hard someone else goes.
Many people believe they cannot really make a difference or have a presence in the world. With a little determination, making your way in the world really isn't that tough. Your success is defined by you and only you. Have you ever heard the phrase, anything worth having is worth working for? Well, it's totally true. As you learn to make your way in the world, you will see if there is something worth going after. It's going to take hard work, commitment, and determination. Set your goals. Part of the process for how to set life goals should be deciding what inspires you and what your values are. You should be passionate about your goals if you want to achieve them in the long run. Your goals should be meaningful to you and provide you with a sense of pride once you meet them. Do not give up. Remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious, and however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. It matters that you do not just give up. Start from today, not from tomorrow. You can do that thing today, not tomorrow, not in a month, right now. If it's worth the effort, you shouldn't wait. If it's not, then simply tell the truth. I do not want that badly enough. Whatever you do, I hope you begin. Build momentum. Overcome resistance. Break free of laziness and malaise. Do something. You will feel better about yourself once you have started. Trust me, it gets easier as you go. Celebrate your achievements. It is important to celebrate success. However, in a world that constantly pushes us to aim higher and higher, always looking for the next goal, it is easy to forget how far we have come and what we have achieved. Taking time to celebrate your successes, large and small, ensures that you mark the milestones on your personal development journey. Why celebrate success? First, because we build achievement on success. Second, because we also need to see how far we have come. Stop overthinking. So much of our stress and anxiety about the future stems from all the analysis and thinking we do as adults. We ask ourselves all sorts of questions. I recall countless nights laying awake, entertaining ideas and wrestling with my soul. I tried so hard to figure out where I would end up that I often felt defeated before I even began. But all the overanalysis got me nowhere. It just burned more time. The reality is that no matter how smart we may be, we cannot predict the future. Things are moving so fast and we are so interconnected that it is impossible to predict where you will end up 5 years from now. You just don't know, and that's not necessarily a bad thing, because you will not be basing your choice of direction on a forecast that's likely to be wrong. You will be making your choice on what's really important to you, right here and right now, not tomorrow. Thank you so much.